The best version of yourself wakes up with the same routine as always. He stands up, showers, eats, drinks, and when he's done, he goes to the gym. Unlike the real you said you were going to stand up at 6 a.m. today so you could go to the gym. But you didn't. Why? It's currently 6 p.m. and the best version of yourself is already done with everything you said you were going to do. He's even done more. What about the real you? It's 6 p.m. and you haven't done a single thing you said you were going to do. Why? The reason you're not working often comes down to one thing: distractions. But the solution is as simple as it gets. If you have work to do or want to hit the gym, don't overthink it. Just start by taking a small step. Imagine you're on your bed and you need to work. Grab your laptop or a piece of paper. You don't need a big plan. It's that easy. If you're thinking about going to the gym, don't make it complicated. You just have to walk, stand up, and start walking. No need to overanalyze or get stressed about it. Taking these simple actions is all it takes to get things done. By doing this, you'll reach your goals faster. Don't wait. Just stand up and start. You'll thank yourself later. You might notice that you're great at watching others work and giving them advice, but when it comes to your own tasks, you hesitate to start. It's time to change that. All you need to do is take that first step and see where it leads. Don't give up too quickly. Keep going. Ever wondered what successful people do differently? They work. And the best part, you can do it too, but sometimes you choose not to. Imagine yourself working and make it a reality. It's not easy, but it's how you achieve your goals. You don't need anything fancy. I always tell people, just work. Also, avoid talking too much about your plans. Talking can make you feel satisfied, as if you've already achieved something, but you haven't. Instead, use that energy to focus on your work. Keep your mind focused on your goals, not on what others think. Your actions will speak for themselves, and you'll be on your way to success. So, start now, work hard, and let your actions do the talking. Always keep working and stay humble. Here's a simple truth. Most days you won't feel like working, and those days will outnumber the ones when you're motivated. So, don't wait for the perfect moment. Sometimes you might say, I'll start when the sun is shining, but when it is, you'll find another excuse like having a long day. The reality is there's hardly ever a perfect time to start. The solution is to break this cycle of waiting. Instead of searching for perfect conditions, just begin. Even on those unmotivated days. Often motivation follows action, not the other way around. Taking the first step gets the momentum going. Consistency and commitment are more important than waiting for the right moment. Choose discipline over waiting for motivation. Set small goals and stick to them. Over time, you'll find that those days when you don't feel like working become less of a problem. In short, don't let a lack of motivation or perfect circumstances hold you back. Start taking small steps even on tough days. Progress begins when you decide to act, and it's this decision that moves you closer to your goals. When you have a task you keep avoiding, try to find parts of it that you enjoy. This can make the whole thing more appealing and help you get started or keep going. Remember, work is a great way to stay focused and avoid wasting time on unproductive thoughts or activities. Working hard is admired because it's how you achieve success. So, keep working consistently. Every day you work, even a little bit, brings you closer to your goal. To stay motivated, remind yourself every day of what you want to achieve. Even if you make small progress, don't give up. Keep moving forward step by step. Your time is precious, and using it wisely helps you reach your full potential. Show yourself and others that you can achieve your dreams. Stop procrastinating and start working on what matters to you. Don't regret missed opportunities in the future. Your older self will appreciate your effort and dedication. Nothing will make you do it but yourself, so you just have to start. Even if you really don't want to, just start a little bit with what you're supposed to do. When you have done that, repeat that every day until you get the feeling that you can do extra. Then it will keep growing from there till you keep working all the hours in the day, and only going up from there. You will have to skip a lot of nights with your friends or family, but in the long run, it is totally going to be worth it. Every day you're working is a day closer to success. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Let us know if you would like to see more of this type of content. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more videos in the future.